Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 16th and it's Monday, so first day of the week. Not bad for the day. Let me go ahead and first pull up the SPY real quick and show you what the market did as an overall. So let's go ahead and zoom in and put up SPY real quick. Whoops. All right, so SPY, as you can see, it did a red to green move, so that's good today. So overall, not bad for the day, right? So let's look at the daily chart and see how that did. Yeah, so just like I've been saying in the other videos, right? So if you saw this dip and it went up, and I was expecting to come down, maybe green day, and another green day as well. I was hoping we might have this one as a red day around here, and then have the next green day here. I think that would have been a bit more better, but it's all good. But seems like we are making higher highs. But let's see how the next couple of days turn out. Maybe tomorrow a red day here, and then maybe another small red day, and then a move back up, and then hopefully it just consolidates around that area. So yeah, let's go ahead and go over my watch list, right, that I had. So let me pull that up. So here's the gap scanner, right? So today I was watching, let's put it right here. So today I was watching ATHE, HPR. I had him to watch this, but I wasn't really into it just because the float was too big. What else was I watching? CBAT. I had it on the list, but I didn't really expect it to do that much, but it did actually. So that one I missed out some plays on. What else was I watching? IDEX I was watching, but I didn't do much at all. And I think there were a couple more. Oh, AMC as well. AMC, there was one good play, but I missed it, so I didn't take the trade. And also CHCI, AHT and ATHE. They were here, but they're not here right now. Some of them probably faded off. So yeah, let's go over that, right? So if you look at my logbook down here, right, you see I traded CHCI, AHT, MHLD. This one popped on the scanner here, and yeah, just AHT, MHLD, and CHCI. That's it. And all the stocks that I traded today, every trade I took was a green trade. So today my accuracy was actually 100%, which is rare with any trader. To receive 100% accuracy on a daily basis is very rare. This is very, very rare. So I don't think I've achieved 100% accuracy maybe like few times in maybe few months, but other than that, it's very hard to get 100% accuracy. So let's look over CHCI, right? So I went in at 326 and sold at 331, right? So let's look at that real quick. So CHCI, as you can see, the stock has a lot of upper wicks and whatnot, so the daily wasn't as good. So let's go ahead and look at the minute chart here. So obviously it faded off, I think, most of the day. Yep. So I had got in around, I got in at 326 and sold at 331. And today I didn't go full size. All of my shares have been like 1250 max. My full size position is 1750. I'm just lowering my risk until the market is, more back to normal per se. So I got in at 9:31 market time, which is around this spot right here, I believe. Let me see here. Yeah, I got in for the break of this, right? You can see there's a double top. And as this was coming up, there was definitely some, resistance around this area. So then I got out, right? And you can tell by the pre-market area, there's definitely resistance around there. But this could have went through and made higher highs. I just felt it was safer to take profits. So that was a good trade. And then next trade I had was AHT. So let's pull that up real quick. AHT. I believe AHT, I had the move from this area right here for the break of $4. Yep, I got in at 4 and then sold at 408. And obviously this went way higher. But again, for every stock that goes up right now, this high, you know, there's more that come down, just like what we saw with CHCI. So I got in for the break of 4. This was a good A plus pattern, and I sold it on the way up. So that was good. Definitely a good move there. And then MHLD, this one's not really worth it. Just a couple of cents profit, but it wasn't the best. And then AHT, I got in again later on around 10:30 for the break of 4, and then which is going to be around right here, this area right here, I think. Yep. And I sold some on the way up. So yeah, and after that it did make a move up higher, but it broke and it came back down, tested that part again, it was holding, and then it went up again. So yeah, overall today was, you know, again, it was a good day for me, at least today. I'm up $210 today, which is not bad. And in this market, I'm just more prepared to take profits early and sticking to my plan. And that way I'm more closer to a green day than a red day, right? So if I don't see a good pattern, my hands are away from the keyboard, which is really important, right? If you don't see your pattern, there's no reason for you to have your hands on your keyboard or the buy button, right? So I think that's one key thing to pick up for sure. Sometimes when we see green candles, you know, our fingers just want to hit the hot keys or the buy button or whatever the case is. So lately I've been trying that as well, just keeping my hands away. And yeah, so overall not bad today. Hopefully we see more momentum. Let's look at CBAT today, right? CBAT made a good move today. You know, I think this could have been a nice pattern around this area right here for the break of 920, but it failed. Even in the early, let's see, what else? Yeah, it was definitely choppy, but maybe you could have had a move around this area for the break of 768, and they could have sold on the way up. That could have been nice. Yeah, there were a few setups here and there, but overall, it's a whippy stock. I mean, you can tell by this break right here, right? It came back down. So definitely just be careful on this. I mean, it seems like it may be doing a trend line support, but you know, I don't really trade trend line supports. So and there's definitely a flat resistance right here. So maybe this may trade on a channel or a trend line support. Maybe it may even break up and test higher day. I don't know. But am I going to take the trade and risk losing my profit of $210? No, I'm not. I made my profit. I'm done for the day. And I trade whenever, where I'm good at trading, right? At the time frame I'm good at trading. There's no reason for me to try different types of trading later on in the day, right? I'm not that expert yet in my trading career. So maybe in the future, but right now I'm more focusing on a couple of things and getting good at that. So other than that, hopefully you guys had a green day as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow.